welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today's a recipe video, so we're going to be making some amazing kimchi. Now kimchi is like your Korean pickle, which can be enjoyed with your mains, and also a lot of yummy dishes can be made out of kimchi. So let's get started. So the main ingredient to make the kimchi is your napa cabbage. Here I'm using 450 grams of napa cabbage, and all the measurements that I'll be giving are according to this. So first we can cut the hard bottom part of the cabbage, and then I'm going to slit it into two. So I'm going to take one of the halves and further cut it into two halves. And we can take one of the parts and further slit it into two. And now I'm going to chop them into bite-sized pieces. So we can repeat this procedure to cut rest of the cabbage. Now I have transferred all the chopped cabbage into a dish, and I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of Himalayan pink salt on top and give it a thorough mix with our hands, making sure the salt is well coated on all of the cabbage. Now I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it sit for 2 hours, and every 30 minutes in the 2 hours we can remove the lid and mix the cabbage thoroughly one more time. As time passes, we'll see that the cabbage goes on shrinking and releasing water. Now post 2 hours, I'm going to remove the lid and squeeze all the excess water from the napa cabbage and transfer it to a colander. We can further rinse it under cold water thoroughly. Once done, we can transfer this back to our dish. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped scallions, 1/4 cup of chopped chives, a large carrot thinly sliced, and cut into matchsticks, and a small baby radish thinly sliced. Now we can keep this aside as we make our kimchi paste. So for the kimchi paste, in a blender I'm going to add a small baby onion chopped, 1/4 cup of Korean hot pepper flakes, a heaping 1/4 cup of unrefined raw sugar, a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of minced ginger, 1/4 cup of vegan fish sauce, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now we can blend this. And that's our amazing kimchi paste. It should taste really pungent right now, as once it mixes with the Napa cabbage, it'll be perfect. So now you can add this paste to our Napa cabbage and veggies and mix it thoroughly, making sure the paste is well coated on all the veggies. Once you've mixed it really well, you can taste it at this point and adjust the seasoning if needed. So it should taste spicy, sweet and sour. Finally, we can store this in a glass bottle. Make sure you wash the glass bottle well, and you can soak it in hot water for 30 minutes, and post that you can dry it completely and add your kimchi to it little by little, and you can keep pressing the kimchi to the bottom and keep adding some more and following this process. Once done, you can cover it with a lid, close the lid tightly and let it sit on your kitchen counter for 24 hours for fermentation. Post that, you can keep it in your fridge and it'll still keep fermenting over the coming days. This kimchi shall be good to use for a month or more. So we can serve our kimchi in a little dish, and before you serve it, you can always top it with some toasted white and black sesame seeds, some scallions. It's a yummy and amazing pickle to have with your Asian mains. Today guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Go ahead and try out this amazing, easy to make and yummy kimchi, and I hope you guys like it. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.